For over a decade, Greenfinger's Wildlife Conservation Initiative has catered to wildlife in Nigeria through wildlife rescue, rehabilitation, and education. The sanctuary rescues wildlife from all around Lagos. People call to report animals stranded in properties, birds incapable of flight, and wildlife in other predicaments. A means is found to convey them to the sanctuary where they can be catered for. Some wildlife come from as far as northern Nigeria. The rehabilitation process for birds begins with ensuring that they are well fed, because nourishment is key. The next step of rehabilitation is flight. They see to it that the bird can fly again, as long as there is no evidence of wing damage. Once it can fly, it is released to fend for itself. Many people do not know how to care for stranded birds. It is more or less a trialogue thing. Many birds die from negligence, improper care, or cruelty, including use for charms in traditional medicine. The sanctuary is not without generous donors. Individuals adopt rescued wildlife to facilitate tending to them. Also, the sanctuary gets support for projects it runs, such as building animal enclosures and maintenance. And the names of these donors are set in stone. You can be one of them too.